Tuesday. It's a Tuesday of Thanksgiving week. I am headed to wrap up Christmas decorating these trees for one of my clients. I did the 14-foot tree, the dining room tree, and so tonight
at the light, turn left onto Elkins Road.
Okay, Siri. So tonight we are going to be wrapping up the 9-foot tree, which is a flock tree. We're doing like a whole boho theme. It's gonna be really dope, really pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in this video vlog style or if I'm gonna try to do like a separate video basically of decorating that room. I don't know, it might be a separate tour, we'll see. Anyway, I have a few things back here. Most of the stuff is already at the place because I've been decorating for quite some time. So I have no idea exactly where this video is gonna land because I have not been filming any Christmas content for YouTube. I've been doing a lot of like IG reels and stuff because it's been easier, but I have not gotten any content out. So I don't know if this is gonna be just like a random deal. I don't know where this is gonna fall, y'all. So you know, it just may, who knows. So here's an overview of the space. I did change out the curtains to these velvet drapes because we're going with a really neutral winter wonderland style Christmas.
And the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above. Christmas tide on high, in the falling magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the falling Christmas tide on high, in the falling magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the falling Christmas tide on high, in the falling magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the falling magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the falling magic light. Christmas tide on high, in the falling in hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. In hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Christmas tide on high, in the falling
falling, or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he will
I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It has that boho, modern boho Christmas vibes. I love the decor pieces and all of the accents that were used. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the way that it turned out as well. It's really, really, really beautiful in person. But the nighttime vibes are just everything. So I hope you guys have been having an amazing holiday season thus far. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, Daisies.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and